Top 8 ways to make your CV stand out. It's no secret that the job market is competitive. Recruiters, hiring managers and HR personnel usually have far too many applicants for the positions they are recruiting for. You might be the best person for the role, but if your resume doesn't pique the recruiter's interest within seconds, well, you can kiss that job goodbye. But all is not lost. There are plenty of surprising ways to make your CV stand out, and we have 8 CV tips right here. 1. Tailor your CV to the job. Studies show that the average recruiter scans a CV for 6 seconds before deciding if the applicant is a good fit for the role. Be sure to clearly and succinctly highlight your experience and skills that match with the role you're applying for. If you're going for an IT job, it's simply not necessary to put that you worked at a fast food chain 8 years ago. It's not relevant. Tip: use a template which you can easily tweak for and weave information in and out of for each position you apply for. 2. Be careful what you cut. Now, we know we've just suggested that you leave out unnecessary words and keep the CV tailored to the position. Don't cut valuable content just to limit your CV to 2 to 3 pages. Make your CV as long as you need it, but keep it relevant to the role, precise and concise without overlooking the important stuff. 3. Use buzzwords. Even if you don't like buzzwords, make sure you include some in your CV. Incorporate words such as managed, developed, accomplished, strategic, etc. into the language and tone of the CV and you'll instantly appear capable. 4. Format matters. Your format should always be professional, modern and clean-looking. Busy, cluttered and unstructured formats subliminally off-putting, so don't do it. 5. Punctuation is on point. Typos and errors project a lack of attention to detail, laziness or a lack of desire or motivation toward the job. Polish your CV perfectly, and it will surely let your recruiters know that you are serious, professional and competent. 6. Skip the hobby section. Remember when we said in the second point to cut the fluff? Well, hobbies are fluff. 7. Make use of a header. Create a clear capitalized header right across the top of your CV, and make sure it slams your recruiter in the face with a clear, hard-hitting statement that defines who you are and how you can fulfill the role you are applying for. 8. Back it up. Provide case studies, metrics and any other evidence either through storytelling or hard facts that demonstrate that you know your stuff. Get a free CV review. www.careerpoint.co.ke/cvreview. Share this video.